Tirelessly Motor Services. I'm really, really sorry we're fully booked. Sorry about that. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, Oldfields Garage. Lisa speaking. Let me just check. No, I'm really sorry. We're actually fully booked that day. Really sorry. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oldfields Garage, award-winning service. How can we help you today? Okay, we'll do our best for you. I'm just going to need to transfer you to my colleague. We're going to try and sort this out for you.
Hello, Tim speaking. Oh, so you've got a major loss of high voltage power. Our techs have been trained at the Delphi Academy, so we can do that. We've got a noise when slowing down, and we haven't got much time. That's all noted for you, sir. Could I just take a name, please? Okay, Mr. We'll fit you in.
All right, lads, we've got an interesting one in today.
Yeah, Tim said, I'm brushing up on my high voltage training now.
Good shout. I'll look on all data. We're going to need all the help we can get on this one.
I'll take a look at the chimney clog warning light.
There's some interesting modifications on this one.
Okay, we've got the slowing down issue sorted. We just need to tell Mr. he needs new shoes.
We've had authorisation to do the job, but we need it sorted ASAP.
Katie, can you give yours a ring to get those parts ordered?
Hi, it's Oldfields. We need something a little bit unusual, and it's urgent. Right, it's for reg number NP1. Yes, it actually belongs to Mr. Okay, just hold on one moment. Tim, they're saying it's going to be tomorrow because the parts aren't local.
Okay, Katie, there's no time for that. I'll go to them, because we are not your average garage. I just need to slip into something more comfortable. That's better. Come on. He's got the engine running. Here we are, lads. I've got all the parts to get the job done.
This should fix the clog issue.
I'll just go grab your keys. Take them in supply while you're waiting. There you go, Mr. Claus, all sorted for you. It's ready to handle any long-distance overnight trips you may have planned.
Thanks for saving Christmas, Oldfields. Ho, ho, ho.